3D printing is a revolutionary technology and a powerful teaching tool, enabling students to hold their creations in their hands. Teachers can bring design skills alive in the classroom in exciting new ways. However, 3D printing is a more involved process than printing on paper. There's the technical expertise to consider, the printing time, the labour required to print in volume, and the expense of running multiple printers. Introducing TinkerSteps, a 3D printing service designed for the Australian classroom. We've made project management a breeze. Teachers quickly set up a class project with price limits. Students then upload their 3D print files via our web app. Once cleared, the teacher receives the printing quote to approve. We'll deal with all the printing hassle and quickly deliver the finished models to the school. With the help of TinkerSteps, teachers can now manage their class printing projects with efficiency and confidence, freeing them up to focus on what they do best. Sign up for a free account to access our project management system and resources for free. You'll only pay for what you print.